Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing. Kevin Aaron's here, Remax Grand Rapids. We're in Allendale, Michigan. Great convenient location halfway between Grand Rapids and the lakeshore. This neighborhood is very walkable, close to shopping, local convenience and restaurants. So yeah, we're at this new build. It's actually a couple years old, but it's better than new because you have features like your yard, underground sprinkling, lots of extra upgrades that wouldn't be typically included with just a spec new build. So let's come on and take a tour. All right, walking inside, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, main floor living. As you can tell, walking right in, we got huge cathedral ceilings, tons of natural light. Yeah, the great living room set up here. Gas fireplace is going, just very cozy environment. Some extra details, as you can see, trim work around the fireplace. Love the gorgeous dark colored vinyl flooring that transitions over into the kitchen and dining room areas. So speaking of, let's go check out the kitchen. So the homeowner really knocked it out of the park with some upgrades, lighting fixtures, hard surface counters, obviously the gorgeous white cabinets, a ton of cabinets. You have to see in this built-in island, you got tons of storage, you know, drawers for utensils, pots, pans, all your utensils that you'll need in the kitchen. And it's got a cooktop that you don't always see. So you got your built-in oven and then a cooktop right on the counter. With the custom range, hood up above. And yeah, the crown molding details, just really top-notch kitchen, even for this neighborhood. So homeowner did a great job there. We got our dining room, about a 6-person table sitting right here. So a good size, about 7 feet long. Nice chandelier, and then off to your deck. So we do got stairs down to the backyard, some light landscaping. Looks like it'll be coming in the next few years. So this is still a new development, homes being built. All right, let's go check out the primary bedroom. A lot of fun details in here. Homeowner added a transom window for that extra natural light. We got tray ceilings, ceiling fan. This is a king bed, so still have plenty of room. I'll kind of walk around. Nightstands on either side. And yeah, it's still spacious. She got her TV in here. Let's check out this bathroom. It's like a spa in here. We got awesome shower, another transom window for some more extra light, double vanity, extra storage built in, tons of counter space. And then we have the closet, walk-in closet, more natural light. And these are, you know, aside from your more like wire mesh closets, this is actually a wooden shelved closet, so some extra details and storage you'll find in here, so really great space. And we'll walk down to the second bedroom and second bathroom. Another really nice bathroom. Yeah, we'll go in here first. It's got the taller countered vanity, again, hard surfaces, tile shower bath, and yeah, a little bit of gold accents in here. I like that, so it breaks up the style a little bit. And the second bedroom, nice guest bedroom, probably more like a 12 by 12 room. So this is looks like a full bed, maybe a queen. And then you do got your closet space in here too, again with that built-in wooden shelving. And we do have main floor laundry. We'll peek at the garage in a second, but we do have an awesome utility room. So it's a little bigger than the average here with some extra some extra cabinets up top. And these are raised up a little bit with some extra storage underneath. And this is a fun little feature, a little catch-all. I know this is necessary for my house when I'm coming in from the garage, throw my stuff down. It's always a good little perk. Coat closet off of the garage as well. Let's see what's in the garage. Oh, hey, just getting a quick workout in. We got our garage gym set up. It's actually got a little bit of extra storage. So there's a little bump out in the corner, but yeah, nice tall ceilings in here, two stall garage. She added the extra service door, which is always convenient to get to the backyard or the front. All right, we're gonna pop back downstairs. Well, actually, we haven't been there yet, but downstairs is unfinished, so you got room to work with maybe 2 more bedrooms, definitely an extra bathroom, it's plumbed already, or just a big great room. But right now it's great for storage. So you got a ton of space, and they do have a temporary bedroom on the other side set up, but daylight windows already here, so still natural light, very easy to just kind of finish the space off how you'd like. There you have it, guys. Thanks for coming on the tour. We are excited to present this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, main floor living home. Come check it out for yourselves. Plenty more details and features that we didn't talk about. So love to tour it with you guys. If you have any questions, reach out. Boom.